this episode 25, I discuss surveying a quadrilateral field having two sides neither rangeable nor chainable. Let ABCD be a quadrilateral field. Here CD is neither chainable nor rangeable. DA is neither chainable nor rangeable. In the previous episode, we had the field having one side neither rangeable nor chainable. In this episode, these two sides are neither rangeable nor chainable. A line may be rangeable but not chainable. For example, an obstruction of a sheet of water. See episode 12, offsets. A line may be chainable but not rangeable. For example, an obstruction of a hump. See episode 13, linear measurements. So, in our field, these two sides are neither rangeable nor chainable. Now let's discuss how to survey this field and measure its area. We measure AB, BC, D, CO, OA, DO and OB. We don't measure AC, we measure AO, OC. We don't measure BD, we measure BO, OD. These we know these three sides of this triangle. That means this triangle is fully defined. We know the three sides of this triangle. That means this triangle is also fully defined. But this triangle is not fully defined because we know only two sides. We don't know the other third side. And also this side is not fully defined. For our calculations, we choose this triangle. We can choose this triangle also, but because this is a small triangle and this is a big triangle, it's better to choose a big triangle for accurate results. Applying cosine rule, we can get this angle. Because we know all these three sides, we can calculate this angle. Once this angle is calculated, this angle is equal to this angle. Opposite angles are equal. This is a line and the angle of this line is 180 degrees. So from 180 degrees, if we deduct this angle, we get this angle. If we get this angle is equal to this angle. So we have found out all these four angles. We know this angle DOC and we know DO and OC. Therefore, applying cosine rule, we can calculate this side CD. We know this angle DOA and we know these two sides OAO and OD. Therefore, applying cosine rule, we can calculate this side also. That means if we calculate this side and this side, we calculated all the four sides and we know the diagonals also. So we can easily measure the area of this field. We can measure the area of this field according to the method described in episode 23. But we have not performed any check. So we should choose a check line EF. The D must be as short as possible and CF must be as short as possible for accurate results. So we know how to calculate the distance between E and F. This was described in the previous episode 24. So we can check the accuracy of our field also.